This thing is, I can already tell it's built like a tank. This is not really going to be that entertaining, I won't lie. We have a sump pump. Put that down. I gotta go pick all this shit up. Yeah, I gotta break all the piping and plastic off of this so I can actually scrap it. How'd that handle do? Like, listen to how dense that is. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, that's really all I can do. Well, to make it a little entertaining, stay up. I'm supposed to sit up there and be perfect. Whatever. Good enough. God, just break open. I want the copper. Oh, it's spinning on its axis because look, its axis is actually right there. This is a water pump, or was, but that is one solid piece of metal right there. Same with that. Yeah, I'm going inside to clean up. I'm just gonna leave this stuff outside. I'm gonna let it rust, I don't care. Yeah, I forgot to smash this. Honestly, I thought it would just explode. That giant metal ball, I'm actually gonna keep that. That's cool. That's the end of that. Because it looks like this now.